Alright YouTubers, last video for today. This is the other original. This is the one I was originally getting, that they had that brown one there too. This is a 5-blade, 4-blade, oh, this is a 5 or 4, has the flywheel for it, if you can see the holes down if you can. This one is from 2001, one of the last years they were made in America. And it is very clean, very nice, and it is complete. This one's getting sold possibly today actually. There's the canopy, grommet, bushing, everything. Let's go ahead and turn it off on low. So, high, medium, low. Very nice. I always love originals of 5 blades. The 4 blades feels like it moves more air. It looks really classy. So this is a nice, classy low. This is medium. And high speed. Going this one down. Business is booming and picking up. I'm finding these a lot more now. I'm guessing because they're going towards the spring cleaning. People are trying to update their houses. So I got no complaints. I just got a call from another gentleman possibly coming by to look at some. Possibly the black antique brass one might have a home. So, all in all, very nice. Moving along just as planned. This one actually had oil still in it, so it's pretty well kept. The brown one didn't have oil in it when I got it, so it probably needed it. This one is in great condition. There we go. And that's rated for, that's a 2.2 amp motor in that one. There's the other ones I have right now. Thanks for watching.